Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What is going on today? We got another mega box of the Fleer Brilliant Superman. Just had to get another one because I'm still a couple cards short of that base set. And I need a couple of those Revenge Squad inserts. And they got some pretty awesome numbered parallels and other inserts that still haven't seen. Like the, what was it, Last Son of Krypton and... I think there was another one. Man, I'm not kind of blanking out here. But here's a list of all the stuff here, if you want to check it out. But let's get into this box and see what's in here. I think last time I dumped it out, I might have damaged a couple of cards because they're on that foil card stock, and they're kind of delicate, I think, because they're almost as delicate as those thick cards, I think. But let me get that out of the way here. Yeah, let's see what we get in this one. Hopefully we get some cool stuff. Okay, we got Steel. And Brainiac 5 on that purple parallel. And we got the Mr. Whatever guy, and we got Jimmy Olsen, and we got Clark Kent. Back to Steel. Got those classic cover inserts and those Revenge Squad inserts. Parasite. Maxwell Lord on that purple parallel. We got Toy Man on that Revenge Squad insert. And Bruno Mannheim. We got Superman. And back to Parasite. All right. Yeah, hoping to get one of those Last Son of Kryptons. And I think there's like some purple 101, but you know. Let's see what happens here. Jor-El and Lara. We got Jay Nakamura on that purple. We got a classic cover. Oh, and we also have a red numbered insert here. Our classic cover is 1939. And our Eradicator on that red heat wave. Red heat vision to 1938. Red heat vision. And we got Marilyn Moonlight. And back to Ma and Pa Superman right there. Let's put this numbered parallel out there next to Crypto and Superman. Here, Eradicator here. Let's see what's in this next pack. Oh. Looks like we got a Mongol, Superman on that purple parallel. How about that? We got Cyborg Superman and a green. Oh no, a green insert here. That is a green kryptonite, numbered to 499. Lori Lamaris and Supergirl. And back to Mongol there. Next pack here, next pack. This one feels like it's a little thinner than the other ones. Maybe missing a card here. Jeez. We got Rogol Zaar. We got Ma and Pa Kent. Doomsday on that Revenge Squad. And Superwoman. Metallo. Back to Rogol Zaar. Next pack here. We got Steppenwolf. Jor-El Lara on the purple parallel. We got a classic cover here, and behind that is the blue, but this one's a 1985 classic cover. And we got Imperex on that blue X-ray, numbered parallel to 999. It's pretty cool. We got Parademons. And back to Steppenwolf. Oh, throw a little blue out there. We got some red. We got a little bit of blue. Why not? We'll throw it all out there. I think I got another green one I could throw out there too. Let's see what we get in this pack here. Hellgramite. We got Parasite. I wonder if they hang out together. And we got a classic cover, 2001. And we got Doomsday, Brainiac 13, and back to the Hellgramite. But why not? Let's throw a little Laurie Lamaris out there. So we've got a 3 numbered card so far, so not sure if we're going to hit any more, but that would be pretty cool. Might be one more. Strange Visitor. We got Superwoman on that purple. We got a classic cover. 1942. Here we got Eradicator and Valzad. Back to Strange Visitor. Okay. Let's say we're about a little more than halfway through here. We got about 5 packs left. We got Mom, Pa, Kent hanging out. And we got Highfather on that purple parallel. We got a classic cover. Looks like a 2004. And we got Granny Goodness. And King Shark. All right. And we got about 5 packs left now. 5 packs left. Lorzod. We got Lobo. Perry White. And classic cover insert from 1988. 86. 88, 86. Cyborg Superman. And back to Lorzod. All right, 4 packs left. We got 4 packs left here. We got Ultra Humanite. I don't know about that. We got Desaad. And we have a classic cover insert from 1971. We got a Highfather and a Maxwell Lord. Okay, what's in this next one? Come on. I don't know. Last Son of Krypton. Powered by the Sun, but I heard those are mostly in blasters. So, Desaad. Thought we got that one already. Kelex. Superboy. And a classic cover insert from 1985. And we got Maxima. Okay. Second to last pack. Just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Some more Superman Fleer brilliance. We got Superman. Looks like from 1938. We got Superboy. And we got another classic cover insert from 1938. Oh, we got Illuminators. Looks like we got Silver Banshee. Awesome. Whoa, Silver Banshee. And we got Superboy Prime. Back to Superman. Oh, we got Illuminator insert. That's kind of cool. I'll go ahead and throw that one out there. All right, last pack here. Last pack. We're looking for that last pack magic. Last pack. And we got last pack classic cover here. Brainiac. Kelex. Classic cover from 1986. And our red Heat Vision numbered to 1938 of Marilyn Moonlight is 1,877 of 1938. Not bad, not bad. Pretty cool. I think I got a couple of cards that we were looking for, except for maybe the base cards. But yeah, not bad. We got a Lori Lamaris on that green Kryptonite. Got a couple of the red Heat Vision 1938s. We got an Imperex on that $4.99. No, wait. Yeah, $9.99. The green is $4.99. And we got a Silver Banshee on that Illuminator insert. So that was not bad at all. Pretty cool. If you guys like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And always, keep collecting.